Hey guys, Jess here, and welcome back to the Grantham Pub Underground. You can see we're decorated for Christmas, and we got some treats for you. We got Christmas cookie cocktails.
Yo, wait. You asked me if you could watch the bar. You said nothing about taking over the show.
Oops.
Well, like she said, we're doing Christmas cookie cocktails today. Your favorite Christmas cookies just kicked up for the adult in a drink. We got two today, as you can see from the sign. We're going to do Snickerdoodle, and we're going to do a chocolate candy cane. So without further ado, let's make a Snickerdoodle cocktail. Now, the first thing you need to do is get the glass ready. So we need the glass over there, down the bottom shelf. It's marked.
Oh, look at that.
Get me one of those little glass plates. The caramel and the cinnamon sugar, which is underneath. So, we've talked about rim in a glass before. It's very simple.
And pretty.
And pretty. So,
What do you call this?
caramel.
Yeah, that's correct.
Caramel is like something different, I
So
think.
someone told me that caramel was like the loose, like the sauce, and caramel is like hard caramel, like hard. Well, I say
Like
caramel
candy?
regardless.
Yeah, I do
Yeah.
too, I think.
No.
But when you cook, you caramelize
Well,
food.
I caramelize food.
Yeah, I do not. I just brown it. So into the caramel, and then into the cinnamon sugar. Or if you don't, you could do like graham. I guess graham would work too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll set
Or
that.
even crushed up snickerdoodles.
We'll set that aside. Okay, put that. I'll put this down here. Okay,
Okay.
now. Oh, it's dripping.
Oh no. I was gonna catch it.
Okay, you're making.
Sure. Snickerdoodles are my favorite.
Okay, so we need vanilla vodka. One of these. Pass one of those napkins. We'll stop the drippage.
Well, won't stop the dripping. We'll just catch
Catch
the
it,
dripping.
yeah.
So
1.5, or no, 2 ounces of
Yeah, I
vanilla.
was
Two,
gonna say.
yeah, 2 of the short ones. Short ones. Short ones. Ooh, that's gonna be.
what? That's an ounce. Well, remember last time?
No.
You don't? You mean the best video on the internet? You don't remember?
Now, if you
My
don't
drinks
have,
were strong.
if you don't have, excuse me, if you don't have vanilla vodka, you can use whipped vodka, or if you remember from, God, I think it was a couple years ago,
Yeah.
we made a Christmas gift video where we made caramel vodka.
Oh, you made it?
Yeah. I'll put a link up, and basically you just take your favorite vodka and you get caramel candies and you soak them in it till they dissolve, and you have caramel vodka. So after that, we need 1 ounce of Amaretto.
I'm struggling with that.
Well, it's like sugary, so it kind of sticks.
What is it technically? Is it almond?
Amaretto is
Hazelnut?
almond.
Oh.
Okay. Then we need 1/2 ounce of cinnamon schnapps. It's one in the back.
I know.
I know.
You're fancy. You got the Goldschlager.
That's the only cinnamon I got. They're not. Well, no. To be endorsed by liquor. What a life that would be.
I mean, obviously you can tell which one it is.
Yeah.
So you just do like
Half, fill that halfway.
It's been a long time since I bartended. Everybody, bartended. That maybe
Okay.
more. But it's fine.
That's all right.
Everything's fine.
This is not science. We're not splitting atoms. 2 ounces of cream. And while you do that, I'll get a little ice. You can eyeball that if you want.
I told you it's been a while.
Yeah, I'll tell you when.
Right. So, like, what kind of cream is this? Like, half and half? Milk?
That's good. That is half and half. You can use half and half. You can use heavy cream. You can use light cream. You can use milk.
Are you shaking it?
You can use... Why, you want to shake it?
My drink.
You're good.
I'm not as good shaking as you are, but... And like I said, it's been... I don't think I was bartending with the last one video that we made.
The island drinks?
Yeah. You're gonna link that too?
You can. If you want to see more of Jess, I'll put a link up.
I told you, best video on the internet.
Best video on the internet. Is that, are you shit? No,
I don't
it's not.
Whatever. I'm just not good enough. I'm retired from the bartending business. Perfect pour every time. Every time.
Whipped cream? Do you have whipped cream? Do you like whipped cream on your drinks?
I don't think so. I don't know. I'm not like on my drinks.
Yeah.
I don't know if I've ever really.
Okay, we don't have to. That's fine. I can live without it.
I mean, when are we gonna taste it? Because it might melt by then.
And then we'll garnish it with a little cinnamon stick, which will stick to the side.
That's a pretty drink.
If you had a whipped cream, you could stick the cinnamon stick in the drink. And that is a Snickerdoodle cocktail, which we'll talk. Oh, you know what you could do? This is what we'll do. How's that? You probably can't see that, but
it's pretty.
It's pretty. Okay, Snickerdoodle cocktail done. Next, a chocolate candy cane cocktail. So, you making this one too? You can make this one.
I'll hand you the ingredients.
Okay. So, we need vanilla vodka again. And this glass has markings on it. No, this glass has markings on it. 1.5 ounces. Again, if you have whipped, you can use whipped.
What do you think the difference is?
I don't know. Chocolate liqueur. I'm just using white cream to cacao. I say cocoa, but I actually think it's cacao. It's in the back. But if you have something like that fancy chocolate one, you could use that. 1.5 ounces. This is easy. This is 1.5 ounces of everything.
Am I too close to you?
No, that's fine. We're family. If I kept you 6 feet away, nobody could see us. Peppermint schnapps.
Oh, that's my job.
Oh, we forgot to do the glass. I'll do the glass in a minute.
What did you ask me for?
Peppermint schnapps. Peppermint schnapps. It's right there in front. While you're at it, get a glass. I mean, not a glass, a plate. Chocolate syrup. Treat it.
I was gonna say maybe I could decorate this.
Well, I'll just put it on the plate and the crushed candy canes.
They're already up here.
Crushed ones. Okay. Put them on the plate.
Like all of them?
Well, as much as you think you're going to need to get on the glass.
Okay. That's probably good.
That's probably good. Same drill. I'll take that.
Never mind, you can do it.
Okay, never mind, I'll do it.
You're good at it. 6 you're good too.
Huh?
Good at.
Or if you don't have chocolate syrup, you could certainly use just like corn syrup. Or you could use more water, just water really would probably work. Okay, now I need some cream. Set that aside. A couple ounce-roonies of cream.
Ounce-roonies.
Another fistful of ice. Oh, she's short again. I'm 6'4".
The magic of TV.
How I produced a child that's
5'6".
5'6".
Probably shrinking.
Shrinking.
Oh, I'm shorter than I was. It's my old age.
Napkin.
Oh, I missed the shake.
Glass. Whipped cream. This one's definitely whipped creamer. Now you also could have, which I didn't do, you could have decorated the glass with chocolate syrup. That would have been sweet.
Yeah. Can I do this?
Yeah.
You just want like a little floater, or?
Yeah, that's fine.
Or do you want more?
No, that's fine. Now we got candy cane martini. So, there you have it. 2 beautiful cocktails inspired by your favorite Christmas cookie. Now comes the taste. I'm sure you want this one, right?
Snickerdoodles are my favorite cookie.
Cheers. Happy holidays. Tastes like a peppermint patty. Huh?
I can't really taste anything.
Tastes. I don't know the last time I had a Snickerdoodle cookie.
Really?
So, a little bit cinnamony. They're like basically cinnamon cookies, right?
Yeah, they're like essentially sugar cookies, like dusted in cinnamon.
No, well, that's what it tastes like then.
I disagree.
You disagree? What, does it lack?
I don't know.
You know, millions of people could see you doing that.
Do what? Yeah, you're right. I don't do that anymore. It tastes like, I don't know. It's missing something, but it's still good.
It needs to be sweeter.
Yeah, that's what, you know what? I think that's what I was thinking.
More Schmager.
What?
More Schmager.
I don't think so, because that would bring more
Maybe
cinnamon
little-
schnapps.
Maybe just a little simple syrup.
Yeah.
So if you make this, and I'll put it in the description, I'm going to tell you to put,
You have simple syrup
Or-
on hand?
I have cinnamon syrup. We made cinnamon syrup once, which would boost the cinnamon and the sugar. So I'm going to tell you to do that.
I was
Put
gonna
some
say, wait, you
cinnamon
got
syrup
time?
in there.
You can make another one.
No. So I'm going to tell you to put a little bit of cinnamon syrup in it. And
I'm
that,
going to do more weird things with my mouth.
Yeah. I think that would be really good. But there's actually going to be a cut in this video because I'm actually going to go get a little cinnamon syrup and we're going to try it. So, if you remember, I don't know the video we made, but we made cinnamon syrup, which is basically just simple syrup that you steep
That is strong.
a couple cinnamon sticks in. Well, we're winging it. Because as you know, I never make these before we actually try them.
Our blind reactions are completely blind reactions.
Okay, now try it.
It just tastes more cinnamony.
I think it's sweeter. But just use regular simple syrup. Don't use the cinnamon simple syrup.
You could.
I mean, if you like cinnamon, you could use it.
I mean, I like cinnamon.
I mean, it's
that was
a
just
cinnamon
strong.
cookie after all. Anyway, there you have it. 2 Christmas cookie drinks. But as you can see, it's only part one. We got a couple more for you. So stay tuned. Make sure, if you're not already, subscribe to the Grantham Pub Underground. Make sure you do it. And then hit the little bell. That way when part 2 comes out and all the other videos here at the Grantham Pub Underground, you'll be notified and you can watch them right away. Right?
Right.
So
I am.
Until we see you next time right here at the bar, happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Sorry.
Whatever you celebrate with your friends and family.
I'll try not to take over the show again.
And it's a time for holidays. It's time for friends and family. And in this time more than ever, you got to celebrate with the people close to you. So we're celebrating. We're having a couple drinks. But we're doing it responsibly, as you should.
That is completely different now.
Kids. So, until we see you again, right here at the Grantham Pub Underground, we'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.